Welcome to the episode of Been There, Done That. My name is Patricia Baronowski-Schneider, CEO of Pristine Advisors, investor relations, public relations, media relations, and marketing firm with over 3 decades of working in a wide variety of niches across the globe. Today we're going to talk about what do B2B customers want to know. Their 3 KPIs are cost, savings, increasing the efficiency of the purchase process, and internal client satisfaction. Now, e-commerce is now the #1 purchasing channel for B2B buyers. Did you know that? But e-commerce is not just for buying. Even in a digital world, B2B buyers value relationships. So number 1, you want to find new customers by getting to know your existing ones. Become your ideal customer's BFF. Find new companies within your network of happy customers. Be inspired by your competitors, sort of like your industry peers. Social selling will amaze your customers. Now, how do you develop a B2B sales strategy? The 10 best B2B sales strategies for 2022 were 1. Remember that sales and marketing win together. 2. Prepare before you approach your audience. 3. Create a follow-up plan. 4. Develop a lead nurturing plan. 5. Leverage account-based marketing. Number 6. Go social. 7. Identify opportunities for repeat business. And 8. Ask for referrals. Number 9, focus on sales experience throughout your buyer's journey. And last but not least, set a feedback process for lost leads. Lost leads shouldn't be mourned, they should be learned from. Always follow up on lost leads and ask them why they decided to drop out of the process. Based on their feedback, make necessary improvements in the sales process. Now, how can B2B find new customers and increase sales? Get in as many conversations as possible. Generate a targeted list of business contacts. Send cold emails. Make warm calls. Use marketing automation to nurture your leads. Set up a live chat on your website. Update your email signature with an embedded promotion. Now, how do you identify potential customers? You want to segment your potential customers. Segmenting your customers is the first step in identifying and understanding your potential customer base. You want to research your competitors. As we said before, don't focus all day on them, but you want to research them. Shape a healthy brand marketing strategy. Identify new consumer demands and shifts in behavior. Key takeaways: use these strategies to close more B2B sales in 2023. Understand your customer's journey. Plan out your sales marketing in advance. Make the sales pitch about us, not about you, but about you and them, about us. Follow up via email and clear the path for the close. And show use cases to your prospects. Share the case studies of successful customers. That goes a long way. People want to see success, so if you can share case studies, that actually has a lot of value to it. As the title of my post says, been there, done that. I can assure you that in my 35 years of working in the industry, I've done it all, and I've learned from many mistakes. I've learned so much, and I can help you do what works best to get your story in front of the audience that matters most to you. Contact me to learn more about my story. You can find out more about me on my website at www.pristineadvisors.com, and that's ADVISERS.com. You can also contact me by email at pbaronowski@pristineadvisors.com. You can reach me by telephone at 631-756-2486. Until next time.